Here we are, day 2. I got some more goodies in from the UPS man. So first is the Thermaltake Tough Power Grand 850. So this came highly rated. I got this for a couple reasons, but the main reason, besides it being rated, oh, people like this 80 plus gold, don't know what that is that this is a modular power supply. So if you can see, the actual unit itself, by the way, the packaging for power supply is actually quite good. Usually these things are so industrial, you don't get much stuff. Maybe people are taking cues from Apple. This has a nice packaging on it. You can see it has the nice red band around it. I won't do a review. Their marketing stuff is pretty good, but it'll sit like that. And it has one set of leads that go to the motherboard. And all the other slots, these slots here, are modular, only for those components that you have. So if you only have one drive, you only need one lead. So basically, what this unit comes with is this bag, nice bag, Ziploc. It comes with all these individual leads to connect to the power supply to each unit that you may have. So this is a single one that plugs in, and then it has multiple things for hard drives. And this is probably more power connectors as well. So each of these are power connectors, and you can use one or many of them, just only what you need, and then you can just put the rest away, and that should keep the inside nice and clean. Next thing that I got is a CPU cooler. This is the Nocta. This is not their highly rated one, the ND14, I think. This is the NFP12. So I'm not going to overclock my chip to death. But I wanted something more than the stock fan. This thing is actually quite big. I was actually kind of surprised. In fact, here's where it mounts onto it, and then this is another fan. So one would blow air in, this one would suck air out. And people that have this Antec 902 case recommend this. I hope it does fit. You can see that if it goes in, it's going to be pretty tight. That's a big monster to cool the unit, so that should be fun. So I'm going to install the power supply now, and what's left is a motherboard. The motherboard's not being fulfilled by Amazon, it's being fulfilled by some other partner, which means it's a 7-day delay in shipping. It should come here shipping Monday, but I've got a lot of work to do to clean up my den and paint the walls, and the new furniture comes in, and then this is the last thing that goes on the new gaming system. So until next time, goodbye.